Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Affirmative video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to diagnose a problem with this Acer laptop in terms of it not powering up. So this is the laptop itself. Now as for this customer, it was working fine, then it's just simple stop powering up. So the first thing I'm going to check is the charger. So this is the end of the charger. Would have already plugged it into the power source. So that's the charger there in the power source. So let's go. Just checking if I'm getting any electricity in the charger. So of course this is what I'm going to use to test it. Put it on the screen there for you, just to see the display. As you can see, it is at 0 in terms of voltage. So let's go and see if we're getting at least 18.5, 17.5 in terms of voltage. So the charger is actually working. As you can see, 19, so 19 volt. So the charger is definitely working. So the charger is working. I know that the battery for this laptop is not working, so I'm going to plug in the charger. And of course the power button is working. So go and try power it up. So as you can see guys, we're not getting anything. So definitely it is the motherboard. So motherboard basically is down. So definitely this motherboard I need to replace. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks again. Affirmatech is out of here.